Hi, I'm Tiffany Jachja.
And I'm Prakriti Verma.
And we're with Red Hat Consulting's Application Development Practice. We're here today to talk about our Red Hat Design Sprint.
Before we get started, Tiffany, what's a design sprint?
Great question, Prakriti. Our design sprint is a 5-day process where product owners, business teams, and delivery teams collaborate together to tackle a business challenge. This is a fast-paced 5 days that will help us create and deliver a product prototype while putting real users first.
Awesome. Here at Red Hat, we've taken the traditional flow and foundation of a design sprint and combined it with Open Practice Library to help us collaborate with our business stakeholders. So let's walk through our week. We start off on day one with Discern. Before we jump into the details, we spend a little bit of time establishing our team dynamic and understanding what our working rules are going to be. This helps build trust and respect across the team that helps bring out the best ideas from everyone. Then we go into a little bit more detail and think about what our business needs are and what the problem context is. We use some practices like the social contract and start at the end to establish our goals and talk through what some of the risks we might run through. Then, day two, we define. This is where we jump into the shoes of our users and understand what they want. This helps us build a better prototype for them. We do this by building out some of our personas and using practices like empathy mapping to relate to our end users.
Next, we have day 3, our Dream Day. This is where we start with our Dream Workshop. In this Dream Workshop, we individually ideate on solutions. We then come together as a team to share ideas with each other. Then we use dot voting to select out major assumptions and to vote on our best solutions. Next is day 4, Design. This is where our design experts will build interactive prototypes while collecting real user feedback. We use the Lean UX workshop to maintain a continuous cycle of collecting user feedback and refining our prototypes to better meet the end user's needs and goals. We use user interviews to facilitate that and build a better prototype.
Finally, we wrap it up with day 5. This is where we determine. So on day 5, we take that prototype that we built out throughout the week and demo it and showcase all the work that we've done. This gives us a chance to take everything that we've learned all week and show what we've learned. We spend a lot of time with our product owner to prioritize and establish what our minimum viable product is going to be. We use a practice called value slicing that gives us an opportunity to understand what our major goals are and how we're going to approach it, and build our first iteration of a product backlog.
At the end of our Red Hat Design Sprint, we have 3 deliverables. We have an interactive prototype, a strong understanding of the minimal viable product needed, or MVP, and then a backlog for the delivery of that MVP. We hope that in this video that you learned a little bit more about our Red Hat Design Sprint and how we use Open Practice Library to facilitate with Red Hat best practices.
For more information, reach out to your account executive or go to redhat.com/services. Thanks for watching.